Hi, I'm Jaeden, and together with my teammate Win, we will be creating a productivity app called Tackle, which is built on the idea of tackling tasks together. Research shows that students who overuse technology actually study less and perform worse academically. Yet, current productivity apps often focus on just one aspect, like task tracking or distraction blocking. Tackle goes further by combining all these features along with gamified social features to make productivity feel less lonely and more fun. Whether you're studying or working, Tackle helps you stay on track together. For authentication, we've implemented file-based authentication to securely manage user data. Upon launching the app, users can log in if they have an account or sign up by pressing the link below. For new users who have just downloaded the app, after filling in their particulars in the sign up page, they can press the sign up button and will be prompted to verify their email. Once verified, users can press the I have verified button and will be redirected to the character creation page. Users can create their own avatar by selecting from different animated styles and key in their username here. After authentication, users will spend majority of their time here on the home page. If a user has previously logged in on the device and has not signed out yet, they are automatically redirected to the home page upon launching the app.
So our next feature will be our task manager. Users can create a new task by pressing the plus icon. They can then add a title, add a description, select the duration that they want to spend on the task, as well as the deadline, and the priority. They can also choose the color that they want to make the task stand out. When users are ready to focus, they can move on to the timer page. On the timer page, users can either choose to create a new task or work on an existing task. To select a task for the timer, they can press on this small clock icon, and this will bring them back to the timer page with the task that they are going to work on. They can then set the duration that they want to focus for and start the timer. If users were to navigate away from the timer page and return back to the app, the timer will pause, and they will want them to stay on track and remain on the timer page. If the users decide to stop the task, there will be a warning that tells them that if they were to stop now, they will not receive the bonus coins for completing the task. Once users complete their task, a modal will pop up, prompting them to type in a short message to be shared with their completion in the activity feed. They are then rewarded with coins based on the duration of the session. With the coins that they have earned, users can spend them in the shop to unlock new ways to customize their tech avatar. The shop refreshes daily, showing 6 new items to keep things fresh and exciting. By pressing on an item, users can see the preview of how their avatar will look like with the item they are buying. Buy it, and the avatar updates instantly. To look at all the items that the user has collected, they can visit the inventory page to see everything that they own. And users can switch up their avatar anytime they want.
Tackle includes a friend system designed to help users stay accountable and complete tasks together. To add a friend, just head over to your profile page and tap the Add Friends button. Here you'll see your unique friend code, and you can share this with a friend so they can add you. Or if you have a friend's friend code, simply type it into the input field and hit Send Request. To help users complete tasks together, we've introduced a new group task feature, a modified version of our original task system. Just like before, start by heading to the Task Manager screen and tapping the plus button to add a new task. Now you see a toggle labeled Group Task. Turning it on will open the Friend Selector, where you can choose up to 4 friends to invite to the group task. In this case, we'll be inviting Apple. Now let's fill up the details as mentioned before. Once you've made your selection, hit Confirm. This will send group task requests to the selected friends, inviting them to work on the task together. The task works just like any regular task. But now, progress is shared in real time with everyone involved. As you and your friends work together, updates to the progress bar are instantly reflected across all participant screens.
Users can access the activity page by pressing the speech bubble icon. Users can see what their friends are up to, like each other's accomplishments, and stay motivated together. In our journey, we have been following these software engineering practices. Firstly, we use the Agile methodology framework to organize our project workflow. We organize our work into weekly sprints and maintain open communication via weekly updates. Next, we also use Git for version control, allowing us to collaborate with each other through the development process. Each of us worked on feature branches derived from the main branch. Pull requests are also used to review code before merging. Lastly, we use Git issues to track bugs and enhancements. For testing, we use automated testing and user testing. For automated testing, we conducted unit and integration tests using Jest. For user testing, we sent out a Google form.
Thanks for checking out our app and taking the time to explore its features. We're excited to keep improving Tackle, and we hope it continues to support you in staying productive together.